Petty cash is the small float you give a staff member to spend on day-to-day items, fuel, cleaning materials, minor repairs. In ZetaFisc the flow has two halves. First you disburse an advance to the staff, then later they account for how they spent it. This video covers the first half, handing out the advance. Before any advance can go out, the business needs one dedicated account to hold the petty cash float. It must be its own asset account, never your bank or any other account, so each staff member's balance stays separate. We create it in the chart of accounts. We name the account petty cash, leaving the account code to be generated for us. Its type is asset, petty cash is money the business owns, and its subtype is cash. Then we create the account. Now we tell ZetaFisc to use this account for petty cash. That setting lives in company settings, so every staff disbursement is posted to it automatically. We confirm the inception year, which the settings require before they can be saved. Then, under petty cash, we select the account we just created. And we save the company settings. From now on, any advance to staff is debited to this petty cash account. With the account set up, we hand out the advances. Petty cash often goes to several staff, so we will advance funds to two of them. First, Ada Okeke. We open vouchers and create a new one. We are paying a member of staff, so we choose staff as the pay type, then pick the person, Ada Okeke. Notice there is no expense account to choose, a staff disbursement always posts to the petty cash account we just configured. We create the voucher. Like any payment, it starts as a draft. And, as with every voucher, we open it and submit it for approval, the same two-level workflow we built earlier. Now a second advance, to Bola Adeyemi. Again we choose staff as the payee, and this time pick Bola Adeyemi. It is paid in cash, dated today, with a short narration. We create the voucher. Like any payment, it starts as a draft. And, as with every voucher, we open it and submit it for approval, the same two-level workflow we built earlier. Both advances are now awaiting approval. Once they are approved through the two levels and paid out, each staff member is holding cash they must later account for. In the next video, we record exactly how the petty cash was spent and watch the outstanding advance reduce.